Hey, 8th graders, so after you guys have finished up your atomic structure worksheet and your atomic structure notes, you guys have a couple options. These are your only options. So obviously if you guys are watching this right now and you have not finished your atomic structure worksheet or your atomic structure notes, you guys are finishing that first, okay? I also left a list of students, which was pretty minimal for this class, that of those of you guys who have the tests missing from last week, you guys need to do those first, okay? Other than the atomic structure worksheet notes, any of the missing tests that you guys have, your only other option for the rest of this class period is to play periodic table Battleship. So up front, I have some little sets of periodic table Battleship for you. Okay, I expect them to be put away like this when you guys are done. What you guys have is a little towel to wipe off your expo marker. You guys get one expo marker that you guys are sharing with your partner. And then you guys have your little game board right here, just like this, okay? So this, obviously, one side is for you, the other side is for your partner, okay? So when you guys are done with this, again, please make sure you put everything back, but also make sure you guys wipe down all your guys' markings on these as well. Okay, the sooner you guys wipe them down, the cleaner they stay. All right, so how this is working is you guys can figure out a way to set this up between you and your partner. Yes, I'm wearing a tutu today. You can blame Cam Clamp. All right, so you guys can set it up between you and your partner. It helps sometimes if you guys set this up on your laptop. Okay, on the two parts that are on the table, that's where you guys will draw in your ships. Okay, so I'm just gonna direct your attention to this little tab hanging right here. Your carrier is 5 holes, battleship 4, cruiser 4, submarine 3, and your destroyer is 2 holes, okay? So on the bottom part that lays on the table, you guys will draw in those ships. So you guys can only draw your ships in horizontally, or you can do it vertically, okay? So for instance, my carrier is 5 holes, so I would go ahead and put a big long rectangle around 5 periodic tables, again, horizontal or vertical, but not diagonal. So for this example, I did manganese, iron, cobalt, nickel, and copper, okay? So again, you guys would be able to see my 5 element battleship, or what is it called, carrier, okay? Then I would need to draw one for the battleship. It's 4. I'm gonna do this one vertical. Nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, and antimony. Okay, so you guys would see my 5 or my 4 right there. 1, 2, 3, 4. My cruiser is 3. I'm gonna do beryllium, magnesium, and calcium. Again, you guys can choose where your ships go. That's up to you, just as long as they're horizontal or vertical. So again, there would be my 3. And then we've got my submarine. I'm gonna do rhenium, osmium, and iridium. There's my 3 down there. And last but not least, my destroyer is 2. I'm gonna hide it over here. Astatine and radon. And then you guys can use these ones down here if you really want to. They're a little bit less clear, harder to see, but that's up to you guys as well. No, that's also an option. So you guys can ask your partner if they want to play using these or not, okay? So if your partner asks you, and how you guys ask, or how you bomb your partner or they bomb you, is you guys will give the atomic symbol and the name. So maybe your partner goes and they guess manganese, Mn. You guys would say hit, and then you guys would fill that in as a hit. Okay, you don't have to keep track of your their misses, but if you want to, you can just do like an X or something like that if they guess like vanadium and it's a miss. Okay, up top is where you guys will keep track of your guesses on the other player's battleship. So maybe I guess germanium, and they say hit, then I could fill in germanium up here, and I would know that I'm part of their ship. I've guessed part of their ship right there, okay? Or maybe they guess, or you guess chlorine and it's a miss. I could draw a circle or an X or do a dot or whatever you guys choose to do to indicate that you missed, okay? And then of course I would go ahead, and then once you guys have sunk their ships, make sure you guys tell them you sunk my carrier or my destroyer or whatever the case, okay? When you guys are done, again, remember that you guys need to wipe all this down. The cleaner it is, the easier it is for me to keep it clean in the future. And then I'm going to fold everything back up. You guys can leave the clip right where it is. You guys don't have to re-clip anything. So I'm just gonna fold everything back up. Take it up front, place my paper towel or my little wipe and my expo marker down, and that is it for Battleship today. Again, your only options after your atomic structure worksheet and notes are done, our periodic table, battleship, or the test from last week. Okay, so I hope you guys are having a great day. Hopefully I start to see you guys again soon. We'll be doing a chemistry escape room tomorrow, so that'll be really fun. Have a great day. Bye.